Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer jabber and the energy-effective Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation. Its novel highlights incorporate companion checked-on improvement, a depository framework for decentralized navigation, and a promise to interoperability, making Cardano a dependable, eco-accommodating, and jabber blockchain stage. Assuming your jibber for Cardano cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Cardano ADA will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Cardano ADA and will figure out what jibber are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market jibber. Also anticipating something so jibber is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? Jibber outline. Cardano is an unmistakable jibber money and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Jibber by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson. Cardano executes a three-layer engineering to improve versatility and freedom. Its interesting Ouroboros confirmation of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-productive jabber in contrast to customary verification of work frameworks. Exceptional elements of jibber. Peer-explored improvement. ADA adopts a jibber strategy to advancement by exposing its conventions to thorough scholarly examination. This jibber-to-peer inspected research improves the stage's dependability and reliability. Interoperability. ADA means to lay out interoperability with other blockchains, empowering jabber joint effort between various organizations. This emphasis on jibber advances a more associated and comprehensive blockchain biological system. Supportability and energy proficiency. By using a proof-of-stake agreement instrument, ADA essentially diminishes its ecological effect contrasted with conventional proof-of-work jabber. This accentuation on supportability lines up with developing worries about the environmental impression of blockchain jibber. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of disappointment is jabber $0.343 and ADA is right now positioned #10 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Cardano is 35,900 jibber 4,548,721 with a market cap of $12,324,905,714. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market jibber, the Cardano's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.18% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the ADA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.42 jibber. Cardano has shown areas of jibber for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Cardano cost jibber conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower help specialized investigation on the past value information of Cardano. We give a valiant effort to gather jibber verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your jibber, try to peruse our forecasts. Cardano value expectation jibber. The negative cost expectation for Cardano ADA in 2025 is $0.5542, with a possible high of $0.6692 jabber. In a bullish situation, Cardano could outperform the $324.63 mark for 20 jabber, displaying likely vertical energy. Cardano ADA is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $3.68 jibber toward the finish of 20 freedom. With the ongoing cost of jibber $0.343, Cardano holds its ground on the lookout. Jibber project a bullish pattern for Cardano in 2040, with cost possibly coming to $227.50 mark. Cardano value jibber 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2024 the cost of Cardano is gauged to be at around a base jabber of $0.3895. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.436, with the jibber exchanging worth of $0.4031 in USD. Jibber value forecast 2025. According to the estimate cost and jibber examination, in 2025 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.5542. The freedom cost can arrive at a most jibber degree of $0.6692 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.5744. Jibber value figure for 2026. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 0.8304 Jibber in 2026. The Cardano cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 0.9744 Jibber, with the typical cost of $0.8592 all through 2026. Jibber ADA value expectation 2027. Jibber to the figure and specialized examination. In 2027, the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1.18. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1 Jibber 3 cents, with the typical worth of $1.22. Cardano value Jibber 2028. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.67 Jibber in 2028. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest Jibber of $2.09, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.73 all through 2028. Cardano value Jibber 2029. Cardano cost is conjectured to arrive at a most Jibber conceivable degree of $2.47 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Jabber cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2.92, with the typical gauge cost of $2.56. Cardano ADA value Jibber 2030. Cardano cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3 Jibber 8 cents in 2030. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $4.32, with the typical gauge cost of $3.68 Jabber. Cardano value figure 20 Jibber 1. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 20 Jabber 1 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4.96. The ADA cost can arrive at a most Jibber degree of $6.16, with the typical exchanging cost of $5.15. Cardano Jibber value forecast 2032. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any Jibber worth of $7.15 in 2032. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $8 Jibber 2 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of $7.41 all through 2032. Jibber value forecast 2033. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $10 Jibber cents in 2033. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $12.57 Jibber, with a typical cost of $10.46 all through 2033. Jibber value conjecture 2040. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly Jibber contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and far and wide ointment are Jibber to persevere over the long haul. Jibber to the Cardano cost gauge for 2040. ADA is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $227.50 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of ADA coin in 20 Jibber is supposed to be around $180